Welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. I've just got this in from the United States. Unlike my last thing from the United States, the Mighty Grand Prix extraction machine didn't take 5 months. This only took a week, so that's actually absolutely fantastic. Now, let's have a look and see what we got inside. All right, we have a hat. We have a face mask. Fun. All right, we have a cord. We have a pamphlet. Obviously, probably telling me about whatever's inside. We have some gloves. Cool. All right, what else we got in here? We have a water bottle. We have another. We have, some extension hoses. Oh, we have a little tool here. We have another little tool here. Some adapter. Bag of little tools there. Squeegee, something, set of handles. All right, and here it is, the main event we've all been waiting for. Oh. Still has some more stuff in there. Right, what do we have here? We have the Chief 125, 240 volt, 15 amp steamer. Wow, this the quality of this machine is absolutely fantastic. All stainless steel construction. Wow, I like it. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's go see how this thing works. So you got the chemical injection. I forgot to mention this is a chemical injection steamer, so you can put whatever cleaning chemicals you want in this reservoir and then it'll mix in with the steam and give you a better clean. It's going to be great for your underbodies and wheel wells of your car, so it's going to be really good. All right, and let's see how this all fits together. Where's the, there we go. So, let's have a look here. Assume that goes like that. This goes like this. All right, got it on here. Let's, got some synchronization going on here. All right, so there we go. It's getting nice and tight now. All right, so these are the handles. I don't know, yeah, you can't exactly, they'll be good to wheel around, but they're a little bit short. I'm quite tall, so I'm gonna have to bend over when I'm using this, so. Yeah. See, like I think they should be a little bit longer. All right, here we are. Just a disclaimer, the 240 volts internationally do not ship with a plug. I've had to have this plug actually put on. So yeah, just in case you're wondering if like it comes with a plug, it does not. You have to get your own plug put on by a qualified electrician and then tested. So I've already had that done. Now we can plug her in and test her out. All right, so what we're gonna do, you got your hose here, you got the end here. Obviously, so it goes into here, so you got your electric part and then your steam part, so that just clips in there, nice click. We can turn her on now. It's pretty quiet, just sucks in a bit of water from here. And also, regular tap water is best. It says on the back here, do not use distilled or softened water, tap water only. So, hey, if they're recommending just use tap water, then that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna see how long this takes to heat up. All right, and this light has just gone green, meaning it's up to pressure, 135 PSI, and that took 6 and a bit minutes. Like, that is insane. But it is a 15 amp unit, so yeah, it's drawing a lot of current, and it's a 3,300 watt boiler. So this thing is just heating up, like in 6 minutes you can just turn it on, prep whatever you need, and then it's ready to go. Like, that's absolutely fantastic. Let's put it to the test, hey. Let's see what this thing can handle, all right? All right. So you just clip the old thing in there, and then we can get rid of some of the condensation out of here, and then there we go. Look at that. All right, let's give it a go. All right, we're still at about 120 PSI. $119 PSI. Well, we're still at 120. I'm going to see if I can get this to go a bit lower than that. So you've also got your pressure dials here, so you can have a low flow. So that's just, you know, and then you can have the highest pressure possible. So there we go. Oh, there we go. It's still sitting on about 110 PSI, and you can see how long this has been going for. And we got down to 100, so I don't know how long that was. Definitely be steaming for quite a while without losing much pressure, and then what, 10 seconds and it's back up to full pressure. So that is absolutely class leading. Like, that is fantastic. Yeah, so there you go, the Chief 135 240 volt version. I'll be putting up a review on this soon, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in how I've built this garage up, there's a playlist you can click right here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss my future videos. Thanks for watching.